Okay, you guys, the shed is finished. I know this is kind of a long time coming, and to be honest, the shed has been finished for a minute or two, but I did want you to have the opportunity to see it from all angles. Look at that. Oh my God, look at it, look at it, look at it. Yep, we got the back. We were gonna build another one just to have for the solar batteries and everything when the solar farm finally gets up and running. But of course, we're gonna finish the house first. But I think we're not gonna do that. For now, we're just gonna have this shed here. We have the lawnmower in there, all of our equipment, all of the different things. Still got a little over 200 gallons of water left. But I did want you guys to see it is finished, looking good. So, see ya!